This week on the channel, we fix an oil leak, add some horsepower, and get stuck in some water.
Pretty damn stuck.
Right now we're in the Jeep Gladiator. Just got to Montana.
Wagoneer.
Oh, Wagoneer, my bad, Wagoneer. He's got a Gladiator at the house, so I'm getting confused, but we're just cruising the Potomac to go see my other brother. But it's a good time. And it's cruising at 60 pretty well. George just explained to me the perfect 90-degree angle. Apparently that's luxury or comfort, yeah. It's actually kind of funny because yeah, I always think about that in my cars, and I'm always like kind of, you know what I mean, like uncomfortable, but that's literally perfect. Today's project, we have to reassemble what we did yesterday. What we got here, Jordan?
Cold.
Well, I mean the truck.
A 1963 Jeep Gladiator.
What's the coolest thing about it? What does it do?
The coolest thing is that it's all original apart from a modification of the engine. It's American truck. Nowadays you don't get a truck without a honking V8, so I put a 327 AMC engine, which I guess is a little original. I could still say it's, you know,
Time correct?
period correct,
Yeah.
and whatnot.
We're in the backyard of Jordan's house. This is Missoula, Montana. Just a little side street.
American muscle cars, such as Javelin, Marlin, Ambassador, all those old cars ran this engine. It's also used as a marine engine. Still a lot of you know, vintage jet racers, jet boat racers. They use an AMC engine as well. This one in particular, 327, not Chevy.
Interesting. And yesterday we started tearing apart this motor because Jordan has been burning a lot of oil, but we can't see the oil burning, so we can't see the smoke puffing in the back. So we're wondering, like, why is it burning oil but you can't see it? You know what I mean? So we tore apart the motor with suspicion that maybe there's an internal burn or that what was your initial, you were kind of right from the beginning?
Yeah, weird out there idea. I still am not 100% on it, but this, let's see if I can explain it here. You can see this witness mark. The intake manifold is separate from the lifter valley pan. Oil was getting sucked into the intake passages. You can kind of see spots where this witness mark doesn't exist.
Now that we cleaned up the surface, we gotta clean up the actual lifter valley old gasket. He's gonna be taking it off.
Taught her a lesson, right?
And we're gonna place down some RTV instead.
All right. All right. Well, you good luck with all that.
Was gonna bring you into the parts store for a little experience, but there's a lot of people in there, and
This place is slammed right now.
yeah,
They're losing their minds in there.
yeah.
Oh, I got something JDM for you. Here you go. So my girlfriend's brother has a habit of wrecking cars, and so he's got this banged up. I think it's like a 2003 Toyota Celica.
Is it GT?
Well, it's either what, GT or GTS, I think.
Yeah, GTS is one.
I'm not too sure. I don't even know what the difference is. I think it's a difference in horsepower in
Probably.
the engine. Her brother is going to trade it to me for fixing his Ford. He has a 2007 Ford Taurus where he was driving and overheated and kept driving until the motor seized. If you're into a Toyota Celica and want to let me know what it's worth, comment and like and subscribe or stuff.
Stuff.
All right, I guess that's good enough. Right?
Yeah. One-handed. Hold on.
And here she goes.
You got that?
Delicate procedure. Oh. Can't tell where I am. Oh, there we go.
Whoa. That's just like delicate.
Nice.
No.
You're almost gone.
So we got our intake manifold gaskets. Put a little bit of RTV on the little ports for the intake themselves. And we're going to be throwing the intake manifold right on top. Meanwhile, Jordan's just cleaning up the surface so it has a nice contact.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
It's got to go down perfectly centered. With a perfect squish. Oh, yeah!
Jordan, I suspect there was a 180 degree difference for the distributor, so we had to just flip it. And then he just did that right now, and now we're going to put it back in, and hopefully it'll start right back up. See, we'll start up this time. Right up.
Probably add a little timing to it. I think it wants to idle at 10 degrees base. It maxes out at like 30 or 32, pretty standard.
Yeah, brother. Yeah! Oh, yes, sir! Ah! Holy oh! Hell yeah!
Hold on. How about this hill climb?
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Oh,
Oh no! No! Oh no! There you go! You took your video, Mason.
nice.
Lock the door. Here you go. Take the.
John, you want to get your truck out of there?
Hey, don't worry.
Dude, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, electrical's fried.
No. I'll just back it out. Have Jordan walk in.
Yes, sir, dude.
This morning we woke up early. We took out our wrenches, replaced some parts, fixed some things.
Solved an oil burn, fixed ignition, got a little fuel work left to do, but at the end of the day, had a lot of fun.
Ripped it through the woods, got stuck obviously, but this is what we do it for, so we know what to build next time.
Yeah. The only thing left to do, let's go get a beer.